Hi, you're probably guessing what is FieldPod. Well, it's the best smart way to stand out on LinkedIn. So you're going to be able to promote your business and build your industry visibility with engagement advertising that's designed for growth. You can actually build your brand with real business owners, so you can join a very exclusive community of business owners who are wanting to amplify your LinkedIn content with high quality comments. You're going to be able to network with real LinkedIn business owners as well. And FiltPod features real business owners. So each member is vetted to ensure that they have a real LinkedIn profile and are committed to actually helping FiltPod members to build their industry profile. So you can also amplify your LinkedIn content in 3 simple steps. So they're making it very easy for your profile and thousands of LinkedIn users and increase your chances of actually winning business opportunities. Right? So the 3 simple steps we're speaking about is write and share a LinkedIn post for your industry. The next step is going to be join the next FiltPod session and share the link of your latest post. And third, add a positive comment and like to each post that you're given by FiltPod. Now, so all you're going to have to do is just relax, sit down, while real business owners are going to engage with your content so it passes the viral threshold and gets amplified. So when you join a community that's built to help your business, you're assured that you're getting a safe community. Their members are going to follow a set of guidelines and set of principles that will give you tools to report anyone who isn't playing fair. So engaging with people who share your values, so you're not going to be wasting your times in groups with members who don't really give back. Now, each FiltPod applicant has answers to a survey about their business and marketing activities, and they only accept members who show what they're committed and to grow their business and by helping others do the same. You can downvote members who don't give back as well, so you can actually help identify anyone who isn't giving their equal share of contribution. Now, they're proud of their community, and if you ever felt that the member isn't actually contributing and giving valuable comments, all you have to do is actually give a report and downvote them. If they receive multiple downvotes, they may be asked to leave. So now you're going to get an intelligent solution to protect your account. So LinkedIn algorithm can identify a fixed group of users who actually constantly comment on each other's content. Now, at first, your content might be hidden with a shadow ban, but eventually your account really could get deleted, which is not good. So each FiltPod session uses RAPS, robotic automated pod system, and to match you with a fresh set of members. Now, the RAPS technology gives you the impression of natural and organic engagement, and that actually goes under the radar of LinkedIn. So you can actually get your business promoted up to 3 times each week, so you can boost your content with a flexible strategy. Now, they run 3 sessions each week, and you can register for as many as you like, or give them all a miss and join next week instead. It's however you're going to find fit. So you're going to have predictable and dependable results as well, which honestly, it's the only result anybody wants. So join a session, get matched with other users. It's reciprocal in arrangements, so you'll always actually get back what you give. So if you already use LinkedIn to make posts and leave comments, then you know exactly what to do. So be sure to join FiltPod and use their simple interface to organize your activities. And you're going to be able to get more leads and sales from LinkedIn. So if your LinkedIn post only receives just a couple of comments, then it's probably not going to be seen outside of like the people that surround you. So it will sink pretty quickly. Nobody wants a sinking ship in their business, but an injection of target engagement by the FiltPod network can boost Pod's visibility as well. So what about this, right? So what about gadgets, right? So LinkedIn has hashtag trend gadgets, right, for FiltPod. So you can actually get authority and credibility with LinkedIn hashtag gadgets, and it's free. So they're going to be working with professionals that rely on hashtags. So what a hashtag is going to do for you is going to improve your content, discoverability, and actually going to make the search for relevant content very, very simple. So really, what are they, right? So you can see here. Now, this page actually features gadgets that provide you with most updated data on LinkedIn hashtags. So you're going to be able to grow that organic traffic by including embedding gadgets for free, right? Be careful though, because all you need to do here is how to embed the gadgets on your website. Copy the code, right? Select any gadgets from above and click copy. The step 2 is paste the code into the blog page. And the code you've copied into your desired page, then publish the changes. And step 3, that's it. So all the data and tables with graphs will be automatically updated. And now your website will always have this. Very easy, very simple. All right. Now, what about the analytics? So they actually have a Chrome extension, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment, which is also a free tool. So you can actually find hashtags that actually work for you and your business. And you're going to be able to check their real-time followers and comment counts. So, and that only takes with just barely a fraction of a second. And there's no fee or sign up required. And so you can actually go viral if you want. So really, what is it? It's a Chrome extension tool to use the top record networking platform. Now, to date, they have 4,000 active users, discovering the most relevant. So it's used by business owners, digital marketers, LinkedIn influencers, and actually social media managers or experts. So why do you need it? You need to eliminate hours of hashtag research. You can supercharge your profile, and you can capture the effectiveness of your hashtags on LinkedIn, which is really, really good. You're going to boost your presence and authority on LinkedIn, and you're actually going to be able to see those different trends. So it's very, very useful. When you log in and you get right here, this is the dashboard that they have. Very simple, very easy. So you can see our personal summary. We have posts since January the 1st, 2 posts made weekly, and the reputation score. So this is the score that you have. The top 5% of business owners on FieldPod post since the same information is given to you. So you can delete your submitted link. So if you submitted the wrong link or something, this has actually come up. You can participate in the pod session. If the pod session of the day hasn't started yet, you can, of course, safely delete your link as well. And so these are all very great. So if there's an announcement, you can find your announcements right here on the left-hand side corner. And when you come to announcements, it's just going to show what is new, what is available. The engagement, this is exactly what we can see here. So poster's name, the status, and if it's complete or not. Very simple. Christy, Austin, Auto Duke, you can see the names and the status of those as well. If we're speaking about accountability, this is where you can actually, well, if you notice that their members aren't playing by the rules, this is where you're going to go and you can do this. So, and this is where you're really going to vet them. So you can let the admin team by using the link, and so they will have their score membership canceled and they'll be asked to leave. So this is where you're going to do this and just report a user, for example. Very, very easy. If you're looking for different stuff for as well, if we go to the hashtag trends, this is what we were speaking about. This is what's going to help you to actually look. And I'm going to show you how fast and how easy it is for the Chrome extension as well. So you can see actually here, the recently trending hashtags, you can see these as well. Now, when we're talking about submitting a link, all you have to do is come here and paste it. It is that simple. Now, once you click paste, and we just click paste, and there we go, and you're going to see the link. And this is the time until the next submission. So be aware if you're not a member, it is going to take a little bit of time, roughly around 5 minutes, but we can see this as well. So some of the things too, if you are not a member, the only thing you're going to be able to see is the hashtags. You may not be able to see the analytics. So only if you're a member, you're going to be able to see that. Now be careful, they don't want any old content, so the link must be submitted with 1 hour of posting, and the link you submit has a cutoff time into the pod day. So feel free to update by resubmitting the link if you need that. And if you need to delete it, just click delete right here and before the cutoff time. And so no link will be submitted on the next pod run. And this is it. And you just click submit link and you're there. It is that simple, that easy. Now, when we're speaking about actually coming in with the hashtag trends, and we want to set it for a Chrome extension, which is free and easy to use, just click on Chrome extension and we have this right there, LinkedIn hashtag analytics, and just click add to Chrome and you're done. And now you're ready to go, and they even have a video if you would like. So it's insanely powerful tool that you need to get noticed on LinkedIn. It is that simple. So click on the links in the description, go there, try it right now, and you'll fall in love with it. Get noticed today.